Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with Gracie Love, and I am your fabulous host, Gracie Love. Today, you guys, I got my special little buddy, Maury, back here, and he's gonna... That's right, hey everybody! We're gonna be making apple bomb. So what's an apple bomb, you're probably asking? And it's simply just a handheld apple pie. And I'm going to show you guys how to make them quick, easy, and simple, okay? So you guys know I am a big fan of using my canned biscuits, right? So if you have them, you go ahead and use those. Roll those out as flat as you can. I like to say about 4 inches, but that's kind of hard to measure 4 inches, right? So press them out as good as you can. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use your hand. That's what I did. But you want to get them as pressed out as far as you want, as far as you can, without them ripping, okay? So got those all pressed out. I got my filling right here. Now you can use apples and make your filling. I just use the apple filling right out of the can, baby, okay? Like I said, we're gonna keep this simple and easy as I always do for you guys. So with that, now this is totally optional. For me, because I'm diabetic, I'm gonna try to keep my sugar levels a little bit down. So I'm not gonna add any extra sugar, but you can. You can add white sugar to it. You can also use brown sugar, okay? I am gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. Hold on, baby, let's show them how to finish. Oh, you need your hands clean? Okay, we'll get you cleaned up. He's done with his snack. So for mine, I'm gonna just add a little bit of cinnamon. That's going to be perfectly fine. I know. Do you want a little taste of the filling? Let's give you a little taste of the apple filling. How about that? All right. Here you go, baby. I'm so glad my son likes like vegetables and everything, especially with candy. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon. Boom. Again, this is optional. You don't have to. I am. And again, you can add sugar if you want to add it. I'm not going to, but you can. I just want to add a little bit of cinnamon, however. So I got my cinnamon in there. Again, this is right out the can. Mixing it up. Folding it right in there, that cinnamon. Oh, it smells so good. And that cinnamon gives it those fall flavors. You can also add just a little bit of nutmeg. Nutmeg is very strong, so I just suggest adding a little bit, but those are definitely some good fall spices. Cinnamon, nutmeg, if you're into pumpkin, those kinds of things, okay? So now I'm gonna just take my filling and I'm gonna put it right onto my biscuits, okay? Right onto that dough. All right, so once we have our filling all on our dough, this is what it should look like, okay? So now we're just gonna fold these up and just like you would like a little taco, I guess. You just wanna close up all the edges, and you don't even need to like use a fork to push these together or anything like that. Just push it together with your fingers. Get it as closed up as you can. And that's why, again, I said don't put too much filling in there. I know you want to, but it makes it very hard when you try to close it. So then that's what it looks like once you got it all closed up. All right. And then once you got it closed, sit it with the sealed part down. So the part that you've had to push together, you want to put that part down on your aluminum foil, and I use aluminum foil on mine for the cleanup purposes of it, and I didn't spray it down with anything, just aluminum foil on my pan. So again, I'm taking it, folding it together, all the sides, okay, and then I'm gonna put that side down on my pan, okay, boom, just like that. I have 6 right here. Of course, biscuits come in 8, but at the time when I pressed them out, they didn't fit on my pan. But you can get about 8 of these out of 1 can of biscuit dough, okay? And I got my other one. Again, seal it like you kind of would an empanada. And then you put it down, seal down. Boom. Right, and we'll finish up the rest of these. This one might be a little bit filled, and again, that's why I said be careful how you fill them, so that way it doesn't be so messy when you try to close them. Oh, that was good actually. So this one again, there you go, sealed all up. Flip them over and move on to the next. All right, boom, boom. All right, got it folded. Flip it over. And I do love the dishes where I can like use my hands to build them. I like the messiness, but if you're not somebody that likes the messiness, you don't want to get no apple fillings all up in your new fill or your new set, I understand. Wear you some gloves, but I love it. Okay, so my last one, flip them down. I'm gonna move him over a little bit. All right. Okay, so now that all of them are filled, that's what they're gonna look like. And now we're gonna put these right into the oven and let them cook up. You know, I like to use my air fryer setting on mine, but you guys, you follow the directions depending on what kind of dough you use. So if you made your dough, or if you're using dough out of the can, whatever, go off of that cook time. So I'm using them out of the can. I got my air fryer setting, so mine will probably take maybe 10 minutes. I'm gonna keep my eye on them because with that filling, it's gonna make it a little bit moist. So it might take your cook time a little bit longer because of that moisture from that apple filling. So again, I'm gonna put mine in for about 10 minutes. At 10 minutes, I'm gonna check them and see if they're nice and golden brown and delicious. GBD, baby, just like yours truly. So here we go. Into the oven. I'm gonna put mine actually, on the top. That's good. Bow. Now in 10 minutes, baby, we're gonna check on those and see where we're at. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pull out our apple bombs. They're gonna be so fantastic. Oh, look at that, baby. GBD. Look how fat they are. They just look so terrific. So we got those out. Let me close up my oven. Now again, totally optional, okay? But you can hit these with a little cinnamon and sugar right on the top. Just to give it that flair. Now they're gonna fall off. Don't be panicky. Oh wow, that looks amazing. So you're going to want to let them cool, okay, so you don't burn your mouth. And I'm going to go ahead and pull one of these babies right off. And I'll suggest too, you can use some, get you some ice cream, okay, if you got some vanilla ice cream. I don't want to use my hands, they're so hot, but I might have to use my hand for this one. Pull that baby right off of there. Woo! There we go. Look at that, you guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's cut this baby open. Right in the middle. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. You see that? Oh, it's falling apart. Let me lift it with this for you guys. Woo! My food is jumping, baby. Look at that. You see all that filling, that biscuit is cooked nice and perfectly. Oh, so good. I said you could get you some ice cream, some whipped cream, baby, however you like your apple bomb. I want that piece right in there. I got crust, I got apple, I got everything I need for the perfect bite, baby. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. If you guys love those handheld apple pies, this is the recipe for you, baby. This is it right here. Another delicious recipe. Apple bombs, baby. Go ahead and make you some. And make sure that you guys also get your copy of Quick Fix Meals on Amazon. Make sure that you guys also like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that, okay? Oh, so good. Again, apple bombs right here.